In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product in WooCommerce. If you're managing an online store with WooCommerce, it's essential to know how to efficiently and effectively add new products to keep your inventory up to date. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, let's navigate to where you can add a new product. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the menu on the left-hand side. You'll find something labeled WooCommerce. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu should appear. Click on Products, and then you'll see an option labeled Add Product. Go ahead and click on that. It's kind of like preparing your canvas before you start painting. Now that you're on the Add Product page, it's time to give your product a name and description. At the very top, you'll find a field where you can enter your product title. This is where you want to put the name of your product, something clear and catchy that will grab your customer's attention. Think of it as the headline of a news article. It needs to be precise and engaging. Below the title, you'll find a large box for the product's full description. This is where you provide a detailed overview of your product. Explain what it is, how it can be used, and any other relevant details that can help inform a potential buyer. The more information a customer has, the more empowered they feel to make a purchase. So, feel free to be descriptive here, but focus on clarity and conciseness. Then, as you scroll down a bit, you'll spot the product short description field. This is just beneath the main content area. Use this space for a concise summary of your product. Think of it like a quick elevator pitch. Capture the essence of your product in just a few sentences. This short description will typically appear next to your product images, so make it engaging and direct. And there you have it. You've just mastered the essential basics of adding a new product in WooCommerce. Remember, an effectively presented product can boost customer interest and drive sales. So take your time with these first steps to ensure your products always shine. Keep an eye out for future videos, where we'll cover more advanced features of WooCommerce. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!